Hi everyone, this is Mike. What I'm going to talk about in this video is an assembly table with a dead flat top. 4 feet wide, 6 feet long. It has casters, is foldable, and can store out of the way. It's very much like my original table that I posted here a couple of years ago. So we start with the torsion box top design. I downloaded this design from the SketchUp warehouse and modified it to meet my criteria. It is essentially the same design shown on the Wood Whisperer channel. I'll leave a link below. It is made up of 1/2 inch MDF inside, a 3/4 inch MDF border. Spacing is 7 inches along the width and 7.5 inches along the length. This 3 inch high grid is then sandwiched between two 1/2 inch pieces of MDF. Let's talk about how these legs can fold in and move out of the way. We start with how the bracket connects to the leg. The bracket fits over a pin and then is locked in place with another pin. So once you have the bracket off the leg, we're going to fold up the two pieces. One is the bracket itself, so we'll move that out of the way. Then we just fold up the leg. And because this hangs on the wall, there's no need to really latch these in place. Okay, that's all I have for now. I still need to build this guy, and we'll see how that goes. Once done, I'll make sure to post it.